Just wanted to up my game, you know?
I think you're ready, but you have to know, I'm putting my reputation on the line.
I was thinking about what you said, about it being an exact science.
Maths, science, chemistry, precision, patience is the key, Carla. Next time, pay more attention to what you're doing.
Yeah, you're right. Thanks for the opportunity. I still don't agree with the science bit, though.
I trained in Paris under Jacques, okay? Making the perfect donut is an exact science.
I'm sure it is.
And you just have a light. From you smoke if you got a light.
I mean, I don't contradict anything that Jacques says, but I feel like he's more of a souffle kind of...
No.
Aesthetics are secondary to taste.
What are you talking about?
Doesn't matter.
Donuts. Making the perfect donut. I think it's an art.
Would you only eat a donut if it lasted forever?
Hardly.
It's supposed to come to an end.
You have to savour the last bite.
What if you thought you already had the last bite?
What if there's sugar left on your lips? You have to lick it off.
I've been practicing at home, Chris. Just take one bite. My donuts are an experience.
Taste some more of them.
You need to work on your presentation.
Yeah, like, yours look great and all, like, and you're
Arrogance is the first misstep.
Right there.
I get to know the dough. Feel it. Treat it like a baby. That way it speaks to me.
Americans love donuts, don't they?
And then that way it tells me if it needs 1 minute more or 30 seconds or less.
You know what else Americans love? Cowboys. Found this little bollocks down the end of the lane. Any of you lose a cowboy? Did you?
Yeah. That's my cowboy.
Why do you have a cowboy?
It's my toy.
You know what are my favourite donuts? The ones with the filling in them. Chocolate, jam, custard. You can put anything in them. Can't you, Chris? It's always nice to have a little surprise inside. You know there's a Dunkin' Donuts in the airport now? It doesn't taste any different to your artisan shite.
Right, I'm gonna go in and start on the dough.
Carla, do you have an extra 5 minutes this time?
They'll be rock hard, they'll be ruined.
You need to learn some humility, Carla. You're not ready.
Here, put them in that.
This is the last time.
All good things must come to an end. I'll let Tony know. Pick up's a treat.